downtown from the other side. Parking garages are in the back along the freeway.
Okay, we're heading to home now. Buy a Hot Wheel.
I took it off.
Oo.
I'm supposed to go.
It's a brand new McDonald's we went to.
Yep.
Just up.
There's Fairfield Inn,
Marriott.
Mario, and there's Holiday Inn Express.
They're all like business hotels. No casinos in it, but they're building a casino right next door now, a big one.
Yeah. There's the bus, megabus.com. And there is other hotel.
It's a Residence Inn.
What are they?
The Residence Inn, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's better. Chris, what's that? That's
Get a good
stadium.
picture of that. I gotta figure out, look that up. What is that? Looks like a stadium.
Yeah, look like stadium.
Football team here? Maybe they do have a football team.
Have no football team
Yeah,
in
no, I think
Las
they have an
Vegas.
NFL team. They're building it.
And there he is. This is the building that name is
Bay Bridge? Okay. Downtown from the other side.
There he is. This is what's look like in daytime. Nice in nighttime. Have many lights. Look like Christmas.
Yeah, I guess maybe we should move it.
It's
Oh, Seafood City. Would you like to go?
okay, we're not going.
We have all the noodles we need.
Yep, so we need.
They fix up all the freeways and stuff with all the rock and the
Yeah.
figurines and the horses and the horses
Oh, there's the horse.
and the rocks. They place everything instead of having grass, but they're really fixing it up, things.
Yeah.
Parking garages are in the back along the freeway.
Okay, we're heading to home now.
We'll talk to you see you in about 7 hours. Bye.
Bye, Las Vegas. Bellagio. This is Bellagio. Big building.
Caesar's Palace.
Nice parking lot that there.
Yeah, park lots. Most of the park lots are in the back
Yeah.
because they had the highway noise. You
Yeah.
know what people there now. Chinatown, next right.
Yep.
Wyndham.
Hey, Mirage. It's the Mirage. Bye bye, Mirage. And bye bye, Treasure Island. You see the Treasure Island, RJ?
Yeah.
You've been there.
Yeah.
There is.
First casino you remember
Yeah, first night there, RJ.
that you're old enough to remember walking through. Got kicked out. We didn't do it. Jay was gambling. He's feeding dollar bills into a machine.
Yeah, maybe that is not allowed on it.
It's not. You gotta be 21.
Yeah. World resorts that not yet done.
That's gonna be nice when we finish that.
Yeah. It's a big area that there too.
Like NASCAR here, football, basketball, top-rated college right here at University of Las Vegas. We gotta
Fair.
Yep.
There it is.
A lot of skyscraper
Yeah.
buildings going up.
We're driving for 7 hours. Long time to drive. Okay, that's it. And now we're going to Love Station. Gasoline stations.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. This one away?
Where's the Love Station now? We buy Daddy
What was
ice
it? No left turn.
for the collar.
WE.
Okay, I want to show you what's look like here, guys.
What did you? Oh, I know that dealer. NASCAR has that dealer. That advertisement.
There is
I think that's the
Love's.
trucks that you pull in the shade outside the hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, it's boat storage.
There is Love gasoline stations.
Packed.
Have heart in the top. Loves. There is.
I know this kind of place.
This kind of place, RJ.
I know.
Here in America, just pump your car.
It figures I can't.
Not
get
like
that.
in Philippines, a pump boy. But here, pump yourself. Oops. Hey, we done now. Up there, how many people in the
Hey guys,
Love's gasoline station?
look at me, guys. Look
Buy
at
a
this.
Hot Wheel?
I took it off.
Oo.
It's supposed to go. It says it on the instructions.
Oo. Okay, we
So here,
going now.
yes. So this is our first Hot Wheel on our trip.
Yep. Again.
The Hot Wheel Ultimate Garage, Super Ultimate.
Clean little bit the windshield. I clean up.
Almost like the air conditioning, there's like a seal, a leak in the seal. The
I
windshield,
don't know.
Check that.
it's all fogged up. It's fogged up. It won't go away.
We're going to
Why did the windshield?
home now. Going back at home. Okay. Look at this in the desert of Las Vegas. We're here now in the desert. Las Vegas, all desert. Still in the desert, Las Vegas. There's the view of no more trees or grass in there in the top. All is clear. Little mountain. There is flat as a pancake, but have other mountain far away. Look at this,
Nevada.
Nevada.
Nevada desert by the border of Arizona.
Yeah, almost Arizona. It's nice day today. Look at the clouds. They're floating in the air. The sky. Nice. It's 101 temperature, honey.
desert. Nevada, Arizona desert.
It's super, super hot outside. At this view, it's pretty cool.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah.
the race in the bottom.
Mesquite Boulevard.
Okay, going to McDonald's.
Also get Robux. But you need a hide.
There it is.
Where is McDonald's?
A robot? OJ wants a robot. What you said, a robot?
He said you need to get Robux.
Oh, Roblox. No, Robux. Are you gonna buy something fancy like a laser weapon?
McDonald's.
Brand new. Now open. Brand new. When's the last time you've been to a brand new McDonald's? Brand new.
Whoa,
You want two plain
open.
burger, fam?
Okay. There it is. And there's the burger and fries. That's it. You want to eat now, RJ? And there is burger. And what you got there, RJ? What's that?
Duplicate.
Go, go there, sit down.
Duplicate. Got two of these.
Really? Wow, what's that name, RJ?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Yeah.
I mean the other young kid from last time when we green.
Eat now, RJ.
What number is the other one? Let's see the back.
There's the burger. Plain burger.
910.
There is the price. Kain muna kami.
It's a brand new McDonald's we went to.
Yep.
Just up. Mesquite.
We guys, we done eat out and then we go back driving again. There we go.
Leave the traffic circle at the second exit. Take the next exit.
Here we are, Nevada. Oasis.
I not know what's that.
It's a casino. That's the parking garage for the casino. Just past the Oasis.